schedule, which I have the verbiage on the next slide. Phase 1, we're currently in the contract closeout period. We're receiving some information from our contractors, some final reports, also some final, what we call DSA 6s. It's a form that has to be submitted to DSA for the closeout of the project. So we're pretty well on our way on the HVAC 1 projects. HVAC 2 projects, as you recall, we have group 2.1, which the schools are listed here, 2.2, and we accelerated some of the schools that were going to be in the phase 3 and moved them into the phase 2. So with the phase 2 projects, all of them have received DSA approval. The proposals are being received from the contractors using the leaseback method of contracting is in progress for all group 2 projects. The district, the board approved the district pre-purchase in December of all the HVAC equipment. That's typically what we've done in the past. It helps us save some money. Phase 3 projects, we're anticipating receipt of the schematic designs early spring. Once we receive the schematic designs, we typically go out, meet with the site administrators, show them where the equipment pads are going, also show them where the internal equipment's going, ductwork, etc. And we always talk to the principals. We ask them, to sign off on those so that they have had a look at it. And if we need to move something or adjust something, or if they know an anomaly that we haven't picked up, they tell us right then and there. Maria.
I'm confused right now. So I know that you did repurchase some of the equipment you said to save money, but I'm trying to figure out how the numbers work. If you're purchasing something that's not being utilized immediately and actually installed somewhere, how is it saving money? That's my first question. And then if the contractor actually hasn't been selected yet, or the leaseback is not completed, does it mean that some of the equipment is provided or provided contractor installed and the rest is by the contractor? So it's a little bit confusing as to how the process is being checked.
We've done the owner furnished contract installed on the HVAC since the first group.
But how is he saving money in general?
Well, again, it's like we're taking up, the idea is that you remove the contractor's markup from the equipment purchase. We originally went out on a competitive bid for HVAC equipment a couple of years ago with a multi-year option on that. So we purchase all the equipment. We don't pay for it until it's delivered.
Okay.
So we haven't paid for any of that equipment. So there's no risk associated. But the contractor, the HVAC contractor, has to build some of the equipment now, and there's a longer lead time for them to build this than it is for the contractor to install it. So typically, on an annual basis, we procure the equipment in January. The contractor starts his fabrication